I have a lot of questions recently from my clients. Like, what should you consider? What should I consider when buying a laptop? Now, let me tell you, before buying a laptop, the first thing to consider, the first thing to consider is what you use it for. If the different tasks require different level of performance. For example, basic activities like browsing the internet, watching videos, and using Microsoft do not require a powerful laptop, while gaming, video editing, programming, and graphic design need a high spec, high specification laptop. Next, you need to pay attention to the processor, that is the CPU, as it determines the speed and performance of the laptop. A modern Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5 processor is a good choice for most users. You should also consider the RAM, which affects multitasking. A minimum of 16 gig RAM is recommended, while 16 gig RAM, a minimum of 8 gig RAM is recommended, while 16 gig RAM provides a smoother experience for most users. What you should also consider is the RAM, which affects multitasking. A minimum of 8 gig is recommended, while 16 gig RAM provides a smoother experience for most users. Another important factor is the storage. Choose a laptop with an SSD instead of a traditional hard drive because SSD are more faster. A 512 gig SSD is ideal for most people. Then also consider the battery life is also important, especially if you work or study on the go. Look for a laptop that can last at least several hours on a single charge. Don't forget to check the screen quality. A full HD display provides a clearer and more enjoyable view experience. If you travel frequently, consider the laptop build quality, weight, and portability. A lightweight and a durable laptop is easier to carry around. Make sure the laptop has a port and connectivity option that you need, such as the USB port, HDMI, and Wi-Fi support. Now, if you are buying a laptop for gaming, video editing, or other graphic intensive tasks, consider a laptop with a dedicated graphics card. And then finally, choose a laptop that fits your budget while offering the best balance of performance, storage, and battery life and durability. Like, let me put it in summary. While buying a laptop, consider or focus on the purpose, the processor, the RAM, the storage, the battery life, screen quality, portability, and connectivity. Then graphic performance and overall value for your budget. This factor will help you choose a laptop that meets your need and lasts for years. On the basis of that, let me use a laptop to demonstrate what I'm saying to you. First, you are buying a laptop, walking to the store, on the laptop, search for laptop system information. On the system information, this particular I'm using is Intel Core i5 6th generation laptop with 2.40 GHz processor speed. Then come to this PC, right click on it, then check properties. You see Intel Core i5 6th generation laptop is a dual processor at 2.40 GHz to 2.50 GHz. Its store RAM is 8 gig RAM and this laptop is upgradable to 16 gig RAM. Then the other third option you should consider, type task manager. On a task manager, you click on performance. So check memory. This is 8 gig RAM as I show you over there. Then disk, that is the storage. Then this is 512 gig SSD. Then the CPU and the graphic processor. You see, these are the details. These are the basic information that you need when considering buying a laptop. Also, consider your budget. How much do you have? Then try to get from a store of configurations that you actually need that can perform what you are buying the laptop for. I hope you like this video. Please kindly follow us, subscribe to our channel, and share to your friends for more videos like this. Thank you.